Hello guys, I am Nikmas from beginner to pro.in. In this video tutorial you will learn how to make a date dialog and how to print the previous date in a text view. Because in most of the video tutorials I have seen that they just decrement the day by -1. The most disadvantage thing is that when you will decrement it by -1, just one, then on the first of the month, okay, the day will get 0. The previous day will show you 0 because 1 minus 1 0. Okay, so let's begin with this. Create a new project, beginner to pro. The activity. Let's wait for this. Okay, so I'm gonna build to text view. Okay, keep it as it is. Assign a ID as date. Okay, this layout also true. DTP. Okay, text view. Another text view which will display the previous date. Okay, it will be very helpful for you if you are entering any data to the database and you want to put the data of the yesterday, then it will be helpful. Okay, text, sorry, previous date. Okay, ID, to be below the date 2002. DTP. Okay, so I'm changing this to from hello world to date. Okay, so let's begin with the coding part. Next view, okay, date and previous date. So I'm gonna assigning the objects. Date is equals to text view file id date. Okay, and this previous date. build a class. Okay, because I'm gonna make a date picker dialog. Okay, the dialog will appear and ask the user to enter the date. So for this, I'm gonna do class date dialog. Okay, extend into a dialog fragment of version support v4 library and implements it with date picker dialog. Date picker dialog dot on date set listener. Okay, so as I'm on clicking this text view, the dialog will appear. That's why I'm using here text view. Okay, if you are doing it with the edit text, then assign it as edit text. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna insert a constructor. Okay, the constructor is empty. Make sure there should not be any argument passed to the constructor, because the problem is that when you will you will generate a signed APK, then it will show error that there is, it will not uh, error that there will not be any argument passed to the dialog. And the implement methods create dialog. Sorry. Yes. Create dialog. Yeah. I'm gonna assign a method get method. Okay. Here I'm gonna pass the view TV. Let's do text view. Okay. Now it's okay. When one user will click on the text view, this will appear. This will pass the view from the main activity to the date dialog. The purpose of using is that the string, the value which is storing the date, will be copied to the text view over there. Okay. So I'm going to add another method. Date set. Okay, so now the error is also gone. Code it to calendar java.util. Okay, calendar equal to calendar.get instance. Int here calendar.get calendar dot here. Okay, like this for month. Get calendar dot sorry, I used the capital one. It's not there. Okay, it is the small the dot here. Okay, the calendar should be here, not the java.icu dot. will be shown there. And on date set, okay, I'm changing this to view and year, month, day. Year, it is month, and it will be day. And in the return, I'm gonna return these values to the on date set. So return date picker dialog. Okay, activity this year, month, and day. Okay, now I'm passing the variables year, month, date to the on date set, which will set the date. Okay, month will be incremented by 1 because calendar in calendar.get instance it is returning the month decrementing by 1. So here only you have to increment that, otherwise you will get the month by of a decremented value. Okay, like now if you are entering for January, it will show for December. Okay, like this. January for December, now it will be 0. If you are using of December, then it will show 11, that is of 11. Okay, string date appending these 3. Okay, day. Okay, then I'm displaying month, then I will display the year. Okay, so now I'm gonna set the text, set text date. Okay, so when the user will click on the text view, this date picker dialog will appear. Okay, this date picker dialog will appear, and this the view of the text view is passed. Okay, because it's a view type, because these all are view types. Okay, the view will be passed to the date dialog, and the calendar will open and copy the year, month, day, and it will return to the on date set, and it will append the day, month, year to a single line, and it will store it in the TB, that is text view. This text view, because I'm gonna add a set on click listener to this date, because on clicking this button only that date picker dialog will appear. So fortunately it will copy the date to this text view. Now I'm gonna add date dot set on click listener view on click listener. Okay, so now I'm gonna the value, that is a date dialog. Okay, I'm using date dialog. So date dialog is equals to new date dialog. Okay, new date dialog. Then I'm gonna passing the view date dialog dot get, that is view. Okay, this is the view, this view is passed to that. Then the date dialog will understand where to put its value in an appropriate position. Okay, so I'm going to use fragment transaction of support v4. Okay, fragment transaction equals to get fragment manager dot begin transaction. Okay, wait, sorry, for required. Okay, so v4 required, change the variable to v4. Okay, so v4 is required. Now it is error free. So now I will make it show. Okay, date dialog dot show. So what it is gonna showing, fragment transaction, it is the title. Okay, fragment transaction, wait a minute. Okay, yes, fragment transaction. Get support fragment manager. Okay, because I'm working with the app compat activity, so it's not taking get fragment manager, it is taking get support fragment manager. Okay, then fragment transaction, then date picker dialog. So now it will set the text to the text view. Now on clicking the previous date, okay, it will show the previous date on click listener. So for that we're using again calendar. Okay, so calendar dot get instance. Okay, calendar, sorry, using java.util calendar to calendar dot get instance. Okay, that was in java.util. Now calendar dot add calendar dot date -1. Okay, now it will automatically decrement the value. Now I'm gonna append it in a string. Yesterday, sorry, I forgot to assign a date format, because it will, how it will know in which format it have to put. Simple date format, sorry, date format. Okay, new simple date format, and I'm gonna assigning it in which format it will put. Okay, local dot get default. Okay, so and it will be change this. Okay, say date format dot format dot get time. What it is saying. Yes, I put this simple date format. Then why is this not connected? Wait. Yep. Yep, now it is error free because I was using java.icu. Sorry for the delay. Actually, I forgot. Um, like this, simple mistakes also happen. So, without waiting, wait, I have not set the text to the previous date. Let's set text yesterday. So now it's also error free. So now I'm gonna connect my Android emulator. Just a minute. Sorry for the delay. Actually, I was got confused that I have used the Java text or what. So for that only I took that much of time. Connect my emulator to the PC. It's taking a lot of time. Link is running. Let's connect to the following device. Oh, yep. So I got my device ready also. So now I am going to yeah, now I'm going to run this. Just a minute. The minute it will connect. Sorry for the bad tone because suffering. Make sure this is java.text, okay, not java.icu.text, because in ICU it is of another format, so it will not match. So make sure you use java.text. So now it will install the APK. Please do not pass any argument to the constructor in the date dialog. It will not pop up any error, but while generating a signed APK, it will say that argument are not allowed to pass to the dialog fragment. Okay. Yeah. Now what's now I got the date picker dialog here. Set now. Okay. On previous date, because today is 19th January and it is showing me 18th January. Okay, again you can. So guys, I hope you have understood my video and enjoyed my video a lot. Please do comment in the beginner to pro. Please do comment and you will get the code there at beginner to pro. Thank you guys for watching my video. Have a nice day.